Wagwan, wagwan. Welcome back to Island Boy Africa channel. Yes, damn beautiful people. If you are new, I am a Jamaican living in Australia. Yes, man. So, quick update, my people. Right now, it's Monday, the 3rd of March, which makes Ocean 6 months old today. You know what I mean? So, with that being said as well, there is something about to happen that's been stirring up, which is a cyclone in New South Wales, you know, which is the state that I'm in. It's already affecting Queensland, which is another state, and what they're saying is that New South Wales, the last time a cyclone hit was like back in the 90s, which, you know, decades ago. So you don't find cyclone happen in this region that often, you know what I mean? But there's one approaching right now, and apparently by Wednesday it's supposed to hit. And if you all are familiar with our video from the family channel when I just came to Australia, there's a town close by that's like 30 minutes drive from where I am, which is called Lismore, which pretty much almost the whole town was flooded. Only people that were living on the hill were saved, and that town is being targeted as one of those spots where could be another flood again.
Northern New South Wales is preparing for its first tropical cyclone in more than 3 decades as Cyclone Alfred bears down.
Alfred could smash the New South Wales Northern Rivers region, including Lismore, devastated by floods in 2022. The last cyclone to hit New South Wales was Nancy in 1990. Back in 1974, it was Cyclone Zoe.
An event that is not common for northern New South Wales. However, in saying that, we are prepared.
Just last week, Lismore marks the 3rd anniversary of the 2022 disaster. Waves bigger than 2 metres already battering the coast.
It was the biggest flood in modern Australian history. The New South Wales town of Lismore largely submerged, hundreds of homes left beyond repair.
We've lost heaps except for what we've got on our backs and in our hands.
In Lismore, there are about 800 empty homes.
Yeah, it's not looking good at the moment, and yeah, the wind have picked up, so it's already a sign that, you know, and the sky been cloudy, so it's already a sign that something is coming. And the news been giving updates, our phone been giving updates on the weather that yeah, it's coming. So that being said, you all know I have my garden here, and the last time I had a big rain, which wasn't a cyclone or anything like that, but I had sorrel in that same exact spot, and because of the big rain, a lot of the trees falling down. So I hope that don't happen this time around, and the reason for that is because the soil is quite loose, so whenever you get a lot of rain, it also gets muddy, and then the roots, especially when it comes with the rain and the wind, everything get loose, and yeah, then the trees get really top heavy and falling down. So let's hope, you know, pray to God all goes well and we don't get affected that much. And yeah, man, so that's that, and hopefully nothing blow down in my garden as well. So yeah, man, just I hope for your best still. Yeah, man, but the storm is definitely coming, so 2 days from now, but I'll definitely give you all an update towards that, so you all have an understanding. Yeah, yes, man. Yes, mama. So it's the evening settings, and now the sun is going down, the temperature is cool, very nice. So yeah, man, we outside. So just a quick update, my people. The rain has now started, and lots of places, even school, Island School, have cancelled from Thursday and Friday. No school, and a lot of businesses are shut down. Even the supermarkets are literally empty. The shelves are empty in the supermarkets right about now. So you know, people are not taking chances with this storm that's coming, and apparently it's at a category 2 cyclone right now and could strengthen, you know what I mean? So it's definitely not something to joke around with. So yeah, today is a Wednesday as of doing this video right now, so it's not looking good at all. It's been windy, and yeah, lots of rain coming in now. Oh my God. Look at this tomato. Look at them joint. What the hell? What the hell is this?
Okay, red. Oh.
Look at this one, beautiful. Pepper and tomato. Mix in one.
I'd like to get some flowers. Oh yeah.
No, get down. Don't go up there. It's not safe. Get down.
Sugar cane. Get for me, Mom, and you, and Ocean, and me.
Yes. Will do, mister. This is yours. Can you chew? Is it soft?
Tastes really good. You can share.
It's soft? Okay, wait. Yeah, it's not bad. Give Mom.
This for Mom and Ocean.
Oh, sweet. Oh, these are beautiful. Well, these ones look even more prettier than the ones I have that I picked earlier. Sweet bubble. Fresh.
Okay.
Welcome.
This is for Mom.
For you and Mom.
And what about Ocean?
Ocean eating.
Well, you didn't finish it.
Mm-hmm.
Mom don't want. Mom don't want. Mom don't want sugar cane.
That's alright. Yeah,